Now, in terms of additional revenue, there's lots of way to get additional revenues on Airbnb. I rent bikes, I rent beach chairs, I rent umbrellas, I rent tours, I team up with restaurants, I get commissions on if somebody goes and uses our coupon at that restaurant. There's a list. There's so many ways to and I don't even call it upselling because a lot of it's not an upsell, but there's so many different ways to make extra money in addition to the fee. So within the fees, right? A couple of things that we do as well is, and it's minimal, but it adds up when you have as many properties as we have. Like we charge $2 for a linen fee, extra guests. So if a property, you could only have, so the way the law here is in terms of occupancy, if you can only have 2 people per room or 2 adults per room and 2 additional persons for like a sofa bed or a mattress. So in a 3-bedroom house, the most you can have is 8 people. But what I do is the first 6, no extra charge. But if you want the 7th and 8th, I'm charging you an extra for those additional guests because it's causing us to bring out a rollaway bed or extra linen for the see-through sofa. So we charge extra for those. So those are other streams of revenue. We charge. We're all of not all, but the properties that our insurance allows us to. We're pet friendly and we charge for pets. And actually, let me take that back. I don't charge for the pet because I learned my lesson. I charge for extra cleaning fee because if you charge for a pet and they come back and say, "Oh, I'm a service dog," I got a service letter, you can't charge. But I can charge you extra to clean the property.
Because of the pet, basically. Okay, yeah. So there's just basically multiple ways of adding additional income on top of the regular Airbnb rental, which could be increase the profit or the bottom line on the property.